Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to unlock adult channels on Telegram. So when you're using your Telegram application, it's not going to be possible. So actually when you go to settings right here and privacy and security, you won't find it anywhere right here. So all we have to do is actually go to our browser and log in from our Telegram from there. When we go to our settings and we head into privacy and security and scroll down, you will see sensitive content and you just have to enable that to unlock adult channels on Telegram. If you don't see it, you just have to try it again in another browser and make sure you're not using your desktop mode right here. So just request a mobile site because that's what it needs, not a desktop site. So from there, you can try and then search it down right here until you find the sensitive content in your privacy and security in the settings of Telegram in your browser. So again, it won't work right here. As you can see, you're not going to see any information regarding that right here in the application. All you have to do is use the web browser version of Telegram for it to work. So there you go.